I'm John. This is the Midnight Paint and Body channel. I just wanted to make a really quick video here, guys, and just talk about rust. Surface rust in particular. Now, we've all heard that term. We've all seen that term. It's a very common term on Marketplace. There's an old saying that if someone has surface rust, they've either never repaired rust or they're trying to sell you something. And that's the truth. So this was a good example of this truck I'm working on right now. So I just thought I'd kind of show you guys. So this is an 08 Chevy Silverado, whatever, crew cab truck. A really, really nice looked after truck. And this one is not near as rusty as a lot of stuff I work on. But the rockers on this truck were just starting to burst through, so it definitely needs earmuffs. Definitely needs rockers, so that's part of the job I'm doing on it. Is rockers and cab corners. Something I do a lot of. But I just thought I would show you guys, on this one in particular. If you think you've got surface rust, this is typically what the inside of your panels are going to look like. It's the same thing around your fenders, around your bed sides, whatever it is. You start to seeing a few little blisters. It's like, oh, it's just surface rust. Well, it's not. It's coming from the inside. So that's what you've got. And I know there's a lot of snake oil stuff that, oh, just put rust converter on it and then primer. It's like, I don't know. I've never used rust converter, ever. I've been in auto body for 35 years. You could put all the rust converter you want on the outside of these panels. Maybe it'll slow down the stuff a little bit, but the thing is, that's what the inside of your panel looks like. So whatever you put on the outside isn't helping. Putting bed liner on the exterior of your truck. See, a lot of guys do that now. They'll get the bottom done in friggin' bed liner. That is absolutely terrible. That really traps the moisture inside, and it makes this happen 3 times faster. And then future repairs are screwed. That's just my opinion as a longtime body man. Don't put bed liner on the outside of your truck, ever. Maybe an old junker firewood truck, I don't know, but not something you're trying to keep nice, because it just makes them worse. But yeah. These fenders in particular, these lower fenders on this truck, I mean, I knew these were blown apart. These have got really expensive. I'm going to repair these ones. But, the other side looked pretty much exactly like that. And there's how it looks after sandblasting. So, now I've gotten all the loose rust off of there, but again, it's the inside of your panels. You see how this is 2 layers of metal. All of this that I can't get to, that's all that thick rust inside there. Now I'm going to be cutting probably, out to here. I'll be taking this external skin right off, and I'll be able to clean up in there before making a new piece to go on there. So, we'll kind of get that taken care of on this one. Honestly, I know some people don't like hearing that, I'll just replace the panels. But often it's the best thing to do, especially on bolt-on panels. But, like I say, unfortunately, this body style, these fenders have gotten stupid expensive, like everything else. Here's some pieces off an old job I had kept for that purpose, just to show people what goes on the inside of the rockers. And here's a wheel arch piece off of a truck like this. This was quite a while ago, but this truck still looked good. But you can see it was just starting those little blisters. You see what I'm talking about there? The surface rust. Well, that's what you've got going on inside. So it's just not surface rust. Let's say you could clean that up. You could grind it out, you could prime it and fill it and repaint it and make it look beautiful. You still have that inside. And that is coming back. No matter what, unless you completely get rid of it. Got myself trapped in here. And, you know, the old car restoration stuff, it's no different. Unless you're completely replacing panels. I mean, the truth about these kind of things, you know, once they are restored and back on the road, this is never going to see bad weather again. You know, might see a little rain, but it's not like it's going to get driven through the winter like they did back when they were made. You know, stuff like this, it's, you know, this one is waiting in the wings, but same idea. I mean, you've kind of got to get right into everything if you want to really bring them back and say they've got no rust. And, you know, stuff like this, you know, this guy, I think he's owned this truck since new. He's keeping this truck, he's retired. We're going to do what we can, but, you know, this stuff, this is going to get, you know, still continue to be driven in all weather, through the winter, whatever. So, you know, these will rust again at some point, even after replacing all the panels. Not like the restored cars. They're probably going to be good for forever now because they're not going to see the bad weather. But yeah, just a little, let's call it a public service announcement. A little talk about rust. Yeah, actually before I finish, we'll just show you the other side, just in case you're new to the channel, if you don't watch the stuff that I do here. You know, this side I have cut the rockers completely out, treated all the inside, same with the cab corner, and replaced everything, and now this will all be obviously primed and painted and refinished like new. In this case, I'm painting the entire truck, so it's a big job. If you want to see the process on this rust repair, lots of videos on my channel, and I am in fact making a video on this particular truck, but I just thought I would kind of throw this little rust video together because we all know that term, surface rust. Us body men all hate that term because it's just not a thing. Unless you've just got, you know, some rock chips and stuff, and then you've got a little bit of discoloration. I mean, yeah, that's surface rust, but by the time you see bubbles or blisters of any kind, it's from the inside. So, hope that helps you guys out. See you next time.